In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the device is not ready error. First thing you can try is, let's say you're trying to run a USB drive. So let's say it's this one. You would right click, go to properties, and then tools, and then click check to check if the drive files has any system errors. After this, you can just close this, and if this doesn't fix your issue, then you can try and plug your USB drive in different outlets and see if this fixes your issue. If this doesn't fix the issue, then you can just go here and type in device manager, and here you want to update your USB drives. So go to US, so it's universal serial bus. Go here and just update all of your USB over here that you see them. So you can right click and then update driver, and then browse my computer, let me check, and then choose your driver update, and then click next, and this will update your driver. You can do the same with everything, with the rest of the USB drives, and after that just restart your computer, and hopefully this should fix your issue. If it did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.